Hello, everyone. I am going to show you how to start and facilitate self-directed project-based learning with a group of students. This is ideal for a classroom or home learning environment. Self-directed learning or project-based learning, rather, is students designing their own projects from start to finish. So they determine a topic. They decide what their driving question is going to be, who they're going to talk to, how they're going to gather information. These are all choices that make this experience self-directed. It requires a lot of independence on their part, and students don't walk into project-based learning in a self-directed manner knowing exactly what to do. So I'm going to walk through this workbook that I have, and I'll provide the link in the notes. But this helps guide students through this experience without really having to have any questions. It's an idea to really put all of their ideas, and it is designed in a way where students start the experience and can very seamlessly, fluidly, and easily get through the process from start to finish of designing a self-directed project-based learning experience based on their own interests, skills, goals, and those sorts of things. So I'm going to walk through this. Let's see. There's a digital option also. You don't need to purchase this workbook to be able to do this. It's just set out there for you, so you already have all of this in place. It just will save you a lot of time. So this workbook includes students brainstorming their strengths and challenges, skills, goals, interests, and using those things to create a project around a project topic of interest. Then they create a driving question based around questions that they have about the topic, community experts that they want to work with, an authentic audience to share their information that they've gathered and to share their final product with, to create a final product that makes sense for all of these things, that follows their interests, goals, skills, strengths, and challenges, create a driving question, and then create a project plan summary. From this point, a project plan summary, they can move on to a project-based learning experience and should have the details and specifics moving forward. All right. So this is just sort of a place to brain dump ideas about their strengths and challenges. They work through their skills that they possess, so their strengths, the skills that they're really good at that they can bring to the table, and those that they would like to work on. And then they use those skills to create goals, those skills that they want to work on. And then they brainstorm their interests. And all four of those lead to this brainstorming page on project topics, what they're interested in. Are they interested in architecture, in basketball, in boxing? It could be any number of things. My students have chosen the most random topics to the most vague topics. And so this section is really honing in on those interests. So if they're interested in boxing, what specifically are they interested in? What do they wonder about that topic? Then they can choose community experts, and this page right here really walks them through the details of that process. Choosing an authentic audience, where are they going to share their final product with, and what audience makes sense for them to share their final product with. And then here they determine a final product based on these things: strengths, goals, interests, skills, and where they are going to present. And then they can use all of what they just did to write a really focused, purposeful driving question to, from this point on, drive the experience. And then they add everything into this final piece, the project design. I hope that's helpful. Grab the link below for a quick and easy resource that's already ready for you. Print and go.